In this video we're going to continue looking at CSS, and this time look a little bit more in depth. So there's a lot you can do with CSS, obviously, apart from just that page properties we looked at in the previous video. What we're going to look at the moment is on the right hand side are our CSS styles. So you'll see that there's a little tab here for us, and whenever you start a new document in Dreamweaver there's always a CSS Styles tab. Now all the CSS rules that we currently have set up are visible in this, and then it even gives me a little bit of a preview of what each one looks like. Now if I was to double click on any of these, it will allow me to edit that CSS rule, just like when I was in the split view looking at the code and adding some things in there. What I can do is just go over to the styles view and actually see all the options I have available to me with CSS. So I'm going to click on H1, and you'll notice the first thing that you should notice here is that there are a bunch of different options available to us with this CSS styles. So we can change just about anything we want in terms of design of the heading 1. So once again, I can change the color of the heading 1 if I want. I can change the font size. I can do things now like change style, normal, italic, line height, weight. I can actually have it all capitalized if I want, and then when I hit apply, you'll see all those changes are made. I can add a background to this, which gives the heading 1 a background as well. So the CSS styles allows us to go into much greater detail in terms of the rule, the CSS rule, and the changes we can make with it. When I click OK, now on the H1, just underneath that, I'll see all of the actual rules that I have applied for the H1, and I can even change those in here as well if I want to, or add the properties. If I went to my link and double clicked on that, I could do the exact same thing. I could go through and make changes wherever I wanted for the link.